A force is a push or a pull. A push moves the book away from me, and a pull brings it back to me. A force is a push or a pull that acts on an object due to the interaction with another object. Force is measured in newtons. There are two main categories of forces: contact forces and non-contact forces. Did you know you cannot see a force, but you can see its effect? For example, when you apply a force to push a door open. Scalars and vectors. A physical quantity is something that can be measured. Quantities can be a scalar quantity or a vector quantity. A physical quantity is something that can be measured. Quantities can be a scalar quantity or a vector quantity. Scalar quantities only have a magnitude. Vector quantities have both a magnitude and a direction. We use arrows to show vectors. The larger the arrow, the greater the magnitude, like force, a vector quantity. Okay, class, let's move on. Now, vector quantities have direction.
Like arrows.
Exactly. The length of the arrow shows the magnitude, for example, the size of the force in the first arrow.
So a longer arrow means a bigger force?
I get it.
All right, class, let's look at some directions.
Like this arrow?
Yes, this one is for speed.
50 kilometers.
And this one is gravity.
Exactly.
All right, when I touch your head, that's a contact force.
I feel it pushing.
Exactly, the force acts between us. Contact forces act between two objects that are physically touching. Can anyone give an example?
Like clapping hands.
Non-contact forces act between two objects that are not physically touching. Magnetic force is experienced by a magnet or magnetic material, like iron, when placed in a magnetic field. When like poles face each other, they repel. The magnets push away from each other. When opposite poles face each other, they attract. The magnets pull together. Electrostatic force is experienced by a charged particle in an electric field. Opposite charges attract each other. Like charges repel each other. Gravitational force is experienced by a mass when it is close to another mass. Gravity always pulls objects toward each other. It never pushes them apart. Earth pulls the satellite, and the satellite pulls Earth with equal force in opposite directions. The two forces are gravity pulling downward and air resistance pushing upward. Forces can make an object speed up or slow down. When a car turns, friction between the tires and the road provides the force needed to change direction. Observe, the car turns the corner. What force caused the change in direction?